Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 392, problem 1. No calculator. The rotating turntable inside a microwave oven completes one full revolution every 18 seconds. At this rate, how many degrees does the turntable rotate in 2.5 seconds? The sticking point for a lot of people on this one, not everyone, but for a sufficient number of people, is that it takes them a little while to register the fact that one full revolution is 360 degrees. You have to convert the one revolution to 360 degrees and note the relationship between seconds and degrees in order to extrapolate the missing piece. So there are various ways to notate this thing, and as far as I know, all of them will involve two fractions or ratios, but preferably fractions, and an equal sign, which is one of my favorite problem designs. Okay, so I'll just see what we can come up with here. The four positions in which you put things does matter, but there are various options. I'm going to go through it sort of chronologically and try to show you how I think about it. You may think about it differently. One full revolution every 18 seconds. That's going to be 360 degrees, okay, equals 18 seconds. But these things are on the same side because these things are being used in a ratio relationship, although it is notated as a fraction. Okay, fractions are sort of a kind of ratio. Okay, there we go. And on the other side, we have the unknown number of degrees, which is what we're solving for. Okay, and we have the 2.5 seconds. Okay. Now there are various ways to move things around, diagonally, rotate, all that. I know. I could have started with this on the left-hand side, which is where ideally it would end up in a mathematics journal, I suppose. But the main idea here is to make sure that the things are functionally in the correct positions relative to each other. That means regardless of your options, they have the option that you choose has to actually get you where you're going. I'm taking a long time explaining this, and I want you to see it carefully. Look carefully. Okay, 360 degrees. Okay, divided by 18, and it says no calculator. Oh no, what am I going to do? What is that? What's it going to be? I think it should be 20 over 1. Yes? Okay. Everybody agrees? Invisible denominator of 1, I'm going to keep it there for a little while. Okay. 20 times 18 should be 360. No calculator. Oh no. Okay. From there, I want this x all by itself. So what I'm going to do is standard diagonal maneuver. 2.5. Okay, times 20. And then I have these two unnecessary invisible denominators that can go away. Okay, there. 2.5 times 20. Hopefully you can do that in your head. Okay, that should be 50. Okay, there. X equals 50. And this is a little clumsy because this is take 1, but take 1 is fine. Okay, so that's 50 degrees. Other answers that might be related are 30, 36, and 72, but I am not sure how someone would arrive at one of these answers. And I keep saying this, and I'm very serious about this. If you help me understand how someone might have arrived at one of these other answers in error, it will help me to help you with other types of problems. Okay? Thanks.